Question 1. This is a real exam question. State the name of a silver-colored metal that easily fizzes in water. So how should we approach this question? Number 1, we're dealing with metals. 2, has to be silver, so gold is ruled out. Copper is ruled out straight away. And the majority of metals are generally silver colored, so that makes it easier for us. And the fact that we're talking about a metal that easily fizzes when in water means we have a very reactive metal, because if we dropped our keys in a puddle as we were entering our house, that would be a problem if our keys were to suddenly react and be fizzing in the water. So let's look at the periodic table to know which element to select. Now, in your chemistry exam, you'd be given a periodic table, regardless of the exam board. And here we've got group 1, okay, which has 1 electron in the outer shell. These metals have 2 electrons in the outer shell, they're in group 2. Then we have the transition metals in the middle, from scandium to zinc and down. And then we have, and goes across gallium, indium, thallium, lead, tin, they're metals as well. Aluminium is a metal. And then right here, this steps line where my mouse is going, to the right, these are non-metals. Now, generally speaking, these transition metals, you will not be selecting one of these to react easily with water. You're going to be selecting group 1 or group 2 metals, one of these. Now, my advice would be to focus on group 1. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, they are all metals which easily react in water. So when we look at the mark scheme, let me zoom in, don't look at the answers, we can see that potassium is a potential option, sodium, lithium, and calcium. And then you can also give the chemical symbol. So when you're approaching a question like this, you need to be thinking which metal easily fizzes when in water. And it's going to be group 1 metals, and then potentially say calcium and below as well, strontium and below. But generally, these are the metals in group 1 that you can say. Okay, any questions about that? Potassium, yes, you can definitely say potassium. Calcium, okay. Can everybody else hear stuff? Okay, sorry, Yogi. It looks like it's you then. Apologies. Okay, let's go on to the next question. That's an easy question.